Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on engineering physics. In this lecture we are going to discuss some of the numerical problems relating to diffraction grating. So let's note down these problems first. First question we have is, how many lines per centimeter are there in a grating? Are there in a grating which gives an angle diffraction of 30 degrees in first order spectrum of wavelength of wavelength 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeters. Okay, so let's solve this question. So here we have been given theta has been given, n has been given. Okay, theta is given as 30 degrees. Since it is a first order, we have n is equal to 1 and lambda is given as 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeters. Okay. So what we are not given is with the E and D is not given, but we can easily calculate E plus D from the grating equation. E plus D sin theta is equal to n lambda. As we all know, E plus D sin theta will be equal to n lambda. So substituting these values, we can get the value of E plus D. E plus D is n lambda by sin theta. Okay, so E plus D is equal to n is 1, lambda is 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeters divided by sin theta is 30, तो sin 30 आ जाएगा. So this we will get as E plus D is equal to 12 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeters. Okay, so we have to always remember the relationship that whenever we want to calculate the number of lines per centimeter, then we have to do the reciprocal of the grating element. So therefore the number of lines per centimeter will be 1 by E plus D. Okay, so basically n is the total number of lines we have to calculate this line. These are lines per centimeter. Okay, so lines per centimeter are nothing but 1 by the grating element. So 1 divided by 12 into 10 power minus 5. So this will approximately comes out to be 8,333.33 lines per centimeter. Okay, so this is how we will calculate the number of lines. Next question we can write down. Suppose a diffraction grating is used at diffraction grating used at normal incidence gives green line lambda 1 is equal to 5,400 angstroms in a certain order coincided on a violet line lambda 2 is equal to 4050 angstroms and the next higher order. Next higher order, if the angle of diffraction is 30 degree, angle of then how many lines are there in 1 centimeter of grating? Okay. So in this question it is clearly given we have lambda 1 and lambda 2. We have diffraction angle as 30 degrees and we have been asked to find number of lines in 1 centimeter of grating. So as we have already learned in the previous example that number of lines will be calculating by doing the reciprocal of the grating element. But what we don't know over here is what is the value of n. Okay, so to calculate the value of n, we have to first suppose we have been given one condition that we have a lambda 1 that is coinciding with the violet lambda 2 of the next higher order. So if we take the order of n, so there will get n lambda 1 and then the second higher order will be n plus 1 lambda 2. So then we'll equate and we'll get the value of n. Okay, and after we get the value of n, we can easily find the number of lines present in the 1 centimeter of grating. So let's suppose a spectral line of wavelength. Suppose a spectral line of wavelength lambda 1 is equal to 5400 angstroms of nth order of nth order coincides with the spectral line of wavelength with spectral line of wavelength lambda 2 is equal to 4050 angstroms of n plus 1th order. Okay, so we'll use the equation of diffraction grating, and then we can write down E plus D sin theta is equal to n into lambda 1. It is coinciding with n plus 1 into lambda 2. Okay, hence we can write down n into lambda 1 is equal to n plus 1 into lambda 2. So n will be equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1 minus lambda 2. So that will be equal to 4050 into 10 power minus 10 divided by 5400 minus 4050 into 10 power minus 10. Okay, so we'll solve and we'll get the value of n is equal to 3. So now we have got the value of n equal to 3. We can easily substitute and find the grating element as E plus D is equal to n lambda 1 by sin theta. Okay, or you can write down n is 3 into lambda 1 is 5400 angstroms divided by sin 30. So this we will get is 3.24 into 10 power minus 4 centimeters. Now to calculate the number of lines, what we will do is we will inverse the following result. Okay, therefore number of lines per centimeter will be 1 by 3.24 into 10 power minus 4. That is, we will get 3086 lines per centimeter. Okay, so this is for this lecture. Thank you very much.